So the first one that we have seen is enclose. We can provide a list of values and we can restrict our data to belong to that list of values. We have also discussed and or. And or are logical operators. If the result of all of the expressions that I'm providing to the logical expression are true, only and only in that case the result of AND clause will be true. And in case of OR, if any of the expression that I'm providing holds true, the result of OR will be true. Then we have seen this example, and now we want to order this particular result set in the order of their names. So we can use this order by clause and say that order by name.
Key. Okay.
One second.
Okay.
Hello, Mama.
I muted Mehtab.
One.
And Shaki is also muted. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next one that we want, Mehtab, is noise coming from your end? If not, then you can unmute yourself. Yeah. Next one that we want to discuss is between clause. What is the use of between clause? We want to restrict our result to fall in between a range of values. Okay. So for example, we want the results from this table called EMP1, where salary is greater than $800 but is less than $1,000. Okay. There's one thing that we need to remember. We always need to put the lower bound on the left side and the upper bound on the right side.
Okay.
There we go. And as you have seen, this 800 and 1000 is also inclusive of the result. So when we say that the salary should be in between 800 and 1000, these two are also included. Okay.
Okay.
That's one thing you want to remember. We have already seen the application of like use to compare strings with wildcards. What do I mean by that? Suppose here I want to select all the names which are starting with S. So I can use this. I believe it was on your PC. So I'm going to rewrite it here. Now, what if I want to see all the names which are ending with T? In that case, I will write it like this. These are all the names which are ending with T.
Okay.
What if I want the name to start with S and end with T? What if I want the name to include the letter T?
Both.
What if I want to include the name to, What if I want to include letter D and letter T both in the name? Letter A and letter T. The question that you should be asking is, does sequence matter? Yes, the sequence of A and T matters. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So A comes first and T comes after that. So this is how we'll be using this like operator. What if I want just one word in between T and N? I want just one word to be in between T and N. I want to select all such names. How about I want exact one word in between C and T? There I go. Exact one word in between C and T. In case of Scott.
Yeah, understood. T.
Okay, so it is a very important expression that we want to have on our fingertips. Okay. Now we are gonna put up the label. If you are ready. Shaki, if there is no noise at your end, you can unmute yourself. Okay. So now it's our turn to practice. We are done with the theory for today. Now we'll just practice. And then I'm gonna send you notes for today's session. Okay.